This drunk Karen is accused of assaulting bar staff. She tries to talk herself out of arrest, but her entitled attitude won't get her very far.
What happened?
We got in an argument over nothing, really.
Okay, and?
That's all I have to say to you.
Do you have your ID real quick?
Yeah.
30, I'm
Can you hold my sunglasses?
No,
for
I'm not.
Okay, here.
Pull your ID out. I don't want your wallet. Looks like the other party's at Pegasus if you want to make it.
There you go.
That's a medical marijuana card. Remember
Oh,
your ID.
sorry. Kiss your...
I'm sorry?
Sorry, I didn't kiss your... That's what he said. That's what he said. I've lived here for 20 years. What do you want from me? What do you want? I didn't do anything to you.
Ma'am, okay, you're right. You didn't do anything to me.
You're right.
I'm investigating a crime.
You came here to be in my grill.
No, I came here
Yeah,
to do my
you did.
job. Okay.
So basically, we're, trying to get them out, paid and out. So she comes off of the bar, and you got both of the manager and Ashley right here confronting them and grabbing them and scratching and whatever. I came in from around the bar, stepped between both of them, grabbed her by the arm and let her out and said, you've got to go. And what Ashley told me, she got scratched. Okay. No, I got in between them. I got you. And then I took over and got her out of here, so she wasn't doing anything in here, got her on the sidewalk. All right. Just basically, I was, the body in between, and she this, that, and the other.
I live here.
Okay,
I've lived here for 20 years. I don't need your
shit, ma'am.
Okay, it is your
No, ma'am. It's whatever.
Why are you coming in Why are you coming in here and bugging
because
me?
Of what happened at Jack Flats, ma'am.
What happened at Jack Flats? Here you go.
Go ahead and put it down for
you
me.
wanted to beep.
Put it down for me.
Oh, beep.
Are you being detained right now?
Yeah, here we go. You good? You good?
31 to 10.
Get bend over.
Okay, that's fine.
I will.
Perfect. Come stand right here for me. You don't have to stand. Just stand there, please.
What do you need?
What's going to happen next is Officer Stevens is going to come. We're going to get the information that
Really?
happened.
For what? For what?
For apparently a battery that happened at Jack
Oh, I
Flats.
had a battery over there?
Yes, ma'am.
I touched somebody?
Apparently.
For who? I didn't touch somebody. Are you kidding me? I touched a bartender over there?
What I'm being told.
I swear to on my dog's life, I didn't touch.
Okay, well, we're trying to investigate, but you're not being very cooperative, are you?
So what do you got now?
Officer Stevens is over there talking to
Oh,
you.
Officer Stevens is helping me out. Okay, so now what?
We're going to stand here and we're going to wait.
Oh, for what?
Clearly, I'm on a bike.
For your
so
sandwich? What the f*** are you waiting for?
No, right now you're detained for the alleged battery.
For battery? On who?
Picking up for the person you battered.
Oh, I know. Did I hurt them?
Doesn't matter whether you hurt someone or not.
Oh, poor baby. Was it your nephew?
No.
Who was it?
Officer Stevens is talking to them.
Officer Stevens?
Yes.
Officer Stevens?
Yes.
Officer Stevens? Why are you being so mean to me?
I'm not
for
being
no
mean
reason?
to you at all. I'm being very
I didn't
direct
even
to
do anything.
you. Okay. I've not been mean to you at all. You've been very mean to me, however.
I've been mean to you? What did I do to you?
You have not listened to what she said to me?
What did I say to you?
Very hurtful things.
Dude, I'm drunk.
Clearly, but that doesn't give you a right to not be nice.
It's how people
I'm sure
act.
he's drunk and he's nice.
It's how people act when they're drunk.
Fair enough.
It's
No, that's not how people act when they're drunk.
You've never been drunk in your life?
Yes, I have, but I'm a happy drunk because I enjoy life.
Baby, you know
I don't
what?
have problems.
I'm not a happy drunk.
Clearly, so maybe you should quit drinking because you wouldn't get in handcuffs.
Wow.
I mean, it's not very hard. If you get handcuffs,
Well,
when
I
you're
didn't know
drinking,
you
that's
were my
bad.
counselor. I need to call my husband.
We're going to determine what's going to happen here.
Yeah, I know. Let's
And
do whatever.
either they're going to press charges
Oh
or
my
not.
God, hurry up and
And
get
if
it over
And if
with.
they press charges,
Can you get it
you
over
can call
with?
him from the jail. And if they don't press charges, you can call him.
Okay,
anytime
can you
after.
hurry up and get it over
Hi,
with?
Todd. What you got? Press charges? Yeah. Okay. All right. Make sure they're double locked. Perfect. There you go. Go with Officer Stevens, and I'll grab your belongings.
She was charged with battery and disorderly conduct. At least she tried to communicate with officers. This next woman refuses to cooperate, instead choosing to ask Siri to be her lawyer.
Ma'am, get off your boat. Properly tied? Alright, ma'am, you're not going anywhere. Ma'am, get off your boat. Come on, Paul 68. Can I get one more routine? Ma'am, you need to get off your boat. Ma'am, get off your boat. Hey, good morning. Do you have her info? Great. Well, she's going to jail for resisting, and you guys got to figure out what's going on with this boat.
Imply that I've committed a crime to be arrested for, which I have not.
You know whose boat it is? Whose boat
You're
is this?
arresting me for resisting
Oh,
arrest,
Coconut
which
Man.
I have not committed
Okay.
a crime.
Yes, ma'am. Told you to identify yourself. You walked away. I told you to stop.
Legally.
Yes, you do. You're on the city marina. You've been told to stop smoking, and now you're
And
drinking.
I did.
You have an
They
open
asked me to stop
container.
smoking, and I Absolutely.
You have an open
did.
container.
Cigarettes right there. I'm
Okay.
not drinking out of it.
Did you see her drink from it?
Didn't see her drink from the container,
I've been
but
drinking
I watched
coffee.
her throw half of her cigarette into the
No, I
bike.
most certainly did
And
not.
littering,
It's still in
great.
my hand.
Ma'am, we got cameras here.
Then go watch them.
Okay, that's fine. Get off your boat. If I gotta jump on this, I'm probably gonna take all my off. Throw it in there if you don't mind, and then, you know, if I gotta get down there and drag her out of the boat, and drag her out of the boat. Make sure she doesn't untie the boat and leave. Okay, so, you littered. You asked her to leave, she refused to leave, correct?
Asked her to leave down the dock. He saw her drinking at the dinghy docks.
Okay. Alright. Ma'am, at the moment you were trespassing, you were littering, and we got people saying you were drinking on the docks. So you need to get off that boat and talk to us, ID yourself, and then maybe you'll go. If you refuse to get off the boat and ID yourself, I will climb on that boat, drag you out of that boat, and take you to jail. What do you want?
You're going to have an additional charge if he has to go on there and get you.
Yes, I can. Watch. Where can I store my gun belt and
Right back there.
back there? Alright, great. Oh, here we go.
You don't have to talk to the officer. I am an
I'd like
officer.
to keep my spinal
I'm
cord
on duty.
intact. And please
Then just come out of the boat.
You need to
Here,
clarify it.
here are your charges. Here are your charges. Littering is against C-West,
What did I litter?
ma'am.
Sir?
Same with the trespassing. You're trespassing on property. They want you trespass. They don't want you here. You're still here. There's one of your charges.
Nobody asked me to leave.
That is not what they said.
They did not ask me to leave. I would have left had they asked me to leave. Just like I put out the cigarette when they asked me to leave.
At this point, we just need you to ID yourself. We'll document we had this encounter.
If I had to climb on that boat, I'm dragging you out of there.
And you're going to lose your job.
What are we doing?
You're going to get another additional
They're
charge.
trying to take my freedom for me for what exactly is my charge again?
You're trespassing.
You're littering, and now you're trespassing.
Am I required by U.S. law?
Yes.
Who are you
ab-
talking to, Siri?
The policeman.
How you doing? What would you like us to do in this situation? I mean, obviously, I got ID. If she's an ID, I'm going to take
On
her
the
to
dock,
truck.
provide
Good
them with
local
your
lawyer. I need a
identification.
lawyer. Madam, please, may I have the number of a local lawyer, please?
This
I'm calling a lawyer. 1 minute, please. Don't do that.
No.
Do not do that.
Ma'am.
Don't do it.
You got it?
Don't
Ma'am, get
do
off the
it.
boat.
Gentlemen, you
Get off
don't.
the boat.
No.
You're going to...
Don't come on this boat.
I'm getting on the boat.
And you're gonna
Is your body camera
drag
on?
me?
Yep.
All right, cool.
Lawyer, hello,
Ma'am.
USPD is trying to arrest me for trespassing. They're in my boat in the water right now. They're trying to... My name is Melissa. They are currently on the boat.
Okay, ma'am.
Right here, right, yes, yes. Now he's gonna put his hands on me. I've done nothing. He's originally, my charge is resisting arrest, which what am I being arrested for? Again, he's got his hands on me. Stop throwing me. I need to keep my spinal cord intact, thank you. I have a broken
get
neck.
up.
He's manhandling me. I'm currently being cuffed.
Well, you should have listened to lawful commands.
We'll take that.
We'll have to have someone on the outside.
All right, man, stand up for me, please.
Is there anything illegal on your person or in your backpack? No? Great.
She was charged with trespassing, drug possession, and resisting arrest. This next woman calls the cops to claim her boyfriend is abusing her, but as the truth comes out, she'll find this call is about to backfire in a big way.
I mean, he threw stuff this morning. It's just like he's been super irritated. Can't be around him without him flipping. And then I come back from dollar store, and he's just laying there about the door the whole time, about the heater and the heat and the air on the boat. And I'm just like, he just wants to yell at me over everything. And so he's laying there on the bed, and I just sprayed water on him because he pissed me off.
So you sprayed water on him while he was in bed.
And then he flipped out through the TV and came at me, and then he's like, tell me you love me, tell me you love me. And I'm just like, I don't love you if you're being a dick. I can't do this.
Do you guys live together on the boat? Who owns the boat? Is it in both your names?
It's in my name, but he's paid for half of it.
But it's registered to you?
Yeah.
Okay. How long are you guys married or just dating?
We've been together for a year.
A year. And do you have your ID on you real quick? Has he left since you've called us?
No, he's still on the boat.
And
I took his phone because I didn't know
Okay. All right. After you sprayed water on him, what specifically did he do?
He jumped up through the TV. TV's on the bed. Then he decided to go into the V-berth and pout like a child. And I was like, get the boat. I'm not putting up with this today.
So did you tell our dispatchers that he grabbed you?
Yes.
Can you tell me about how he grabbed you?
He just came at me like here. It wasn't necessarily choking me, but it was just sort of a quick thing. Grabbed me here and pushed me against
Okay,
the wall.
okay.
We're over at the Starfish 5.
Starfish 5 over there. What's the guy's name?
Joseph.
Joseph.
I have his phone in case he's asking for it.
Why do you have his phone? Why do you have his phone?
Because I was scared he was going to call someone and run away.
Alright, so, alright, let me take, go ahead and put your purse down for me real quick. I do have to take some pictures. Show me your hands straight out. I know, I still have to document. Any scratches, bruises, or anything?
No.
Did you, at any time, besides the water, hit him, push him, or anything like that?
No, not
during. Okay.
Joseph, can you come out, please? Talk to us.
Come home twice. Threw her phone at me, her keys at me while I was sleeping, and then I threatened to call the police, and she stole my phone and ran off. She got my phone and everything. So
why didn't you call us when she does
she
stuff
took
like
my
that?
phone.
No, you said before.
She said she wouldn't do it again, and we make up. I'm over it, man.
Joseph, just tell us from the beginning today's situation.
So I was asleep. She got up, got pissed about something, and left. Went to go shopping.
You were both asleep.
We were both asleep. I get up at about 7:30 because we both work downtown. I get up at 7:30. I'm sitting there playing on my phone. She gets up, starts yelling at me that I'm not cuddling her or something like that. I'm on my phone. Then she leaves. She goes shopping. And
what was she yelling at you about?
Not cuddling her.
Not cuddling her?
Yes. And she comes back into a fine mood, perfect mood, and she just starts yelling and throwing shit, man. I'm laying there in the bed. She starts throwing her keys at me. She threw a jar at me.
Any of those items
and at this point, it hit me.
Yeah, exactly. Show me the mark.
She threw the keys right there. It didn't really, she's just throwing them in my general direction, like I'm,
Okay.
And then I grab my phone, at which point she takes my phone and leaves. I told her I'm calling the cops. So I've got issues right now. I just feel like I'm being harassed in my own house.
Do you have any scrapes, redness, or
No,
anything?
I mean, I'm so hot right now, I couldn't even tell you if I did.
For the sake of documentation, I do need to take some pictures of you real quick.
Sure. Look, there's blood right there, man, from her scratching me. Dude.
So you were sleeping, it's your day off, she came home, you asked her to shut the door, which she
came
did.
home. And
Did you verbally say out loud that you planned on calling the police?
Yes, lots. I even screamed it out here, and I was like, and she took the phone. It's on camera, man.
Here's what we're obligated to do. In the state of Florida, when there's an issue with domestic, which you guys don't have to be married, the fact that you guys are in a relationship and you live together, it's enough for it to be domestic.
Yeah.
If we can determine somebody who is a primary aggressor, we're obligated to make an arrest.
Correct.
Based on what you're telling me right now, and based on what she's already told me, it's going to be her.
I get it. I don't want that to happen.
I understand.
You know what
I'm just letting you know.
So how long have you two been together? A year. You work together too? It's saying in these domestic issues they've happened before, or this is the first time?
No, we fight.
You want to continue being with him, or? So from what you're describing to me, sounds like a pretty toxic relationship, don't you think?
Yeah, it does.
Have you ever considered ending it?
I feel like all my relationships have been toxic one way or another.
Alright. So, talk to both of you about both your stories and everything else. Yeah, go ahead and stand up. Actually, can I see your profile? Yeah, go ahead and put your hands in and get back. My what? Yep.
You're being arrested.
You want your cups?
Why am I being arrested?
The deal is you admitted that you initiated the physical contact by throwing water and stuff on him while
That
he was in
makes
bed.
you a primary aggressor.
But at the same time, you also took his phone away from him, which is also illegal when it comes to domestic violence issues.
She was charged with domestic violence. This next Karen is so determined to get away with shoplifting, she'll endanger her child's safety in an attempt to escape. And things will only get worse from there.
Ma'am, you got some Stop. Oh my God, what are you doing? No, you're gonna hurt.
No, give me my son.
Stop. No, because someone's hurt the baby. I got a problem. Stop it. I saw you come over there.
You can't have my baby.
Yeah.
You're gonna let me go.
Okay.
I want my
take a 6 king and we'll take
Is it that serious? Still?
Okay.
Come on. We're gonna go. No, we're not. No, you're not.
Let's go.
I'm not going to jail.
Okay. I got it. Do you have any weapons on you that you need to know about?
No, I'm not going to jail.
Okay.
I can't breathe.
Why not? Consequence of your actions hurt? Is that what it is? Appreciate it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take a seat in my car. Okay, cool. Okay. Sit in the car. Swing your feet into the car. No, swing your feet into the car.
I need an ambulance.
For what? Get up and get into the car. No.
I need an ambulance.
For what?
I need my son. Where's my son?
Alright, come on. You never cared about him when you were stealing.
You guys can't touch me like this.
We're trying to put you in the car, man. Okay. You're moving now.
I need an ambulance. Okay. I need an ambulance.
Stop. Stop.
You can't touch me like that.
Stop.
You cannot touch me like that.
Stop.
I need an ambulance now. I need an ambulance now.
For what? For what? You haven't told me anything. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You understand your rights? Fantastic.
Later in hospital, she was found to have fentanyl in her possession and successfully swallowed 2 unknown pills, adding to her charges of theft, neglect of a child, obstructing official business, tampering with physical evidence, and possession of a controlled substance. This next woman thinks she can assault a store owner, then simply tell the cops she's not interested in being arrested. She'll go on to level some very serious accusations of the arresting officer.
I don't want you to justify me. I need to talk to the people that the other man called.
Laurel, you're under arrest, so I need you to put your hands behind your back for me,
I'm
okay?
not going to do that. You go talk
Laurel,
to the person who called
you're
you.
under arrest.
I am not interested in that. I'm not available for that. You need my rights as much as you need hers.
Put your hands behind your back.
You need my rights as much as you need hers.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm waiting. I'm going to wait for help. Well, talk to her. Understand. What did she say to me? What are her exact words?
She said that you punched her in the face.
Okay, what happened before that?
I don't know what happened
What
before
happened before that?
You also have warrants for your arrest, Laurel. You need to put your hands behind your back.
Where are my rights? I'm a little girl more than she is. You understand? There's 6 people that showed up after she harassed me verbally.
Laurel.
6 people. She told me what to do. She harassed me, said a bunch of things that were very rude. I don't think that person should be around young women. I don't think that person should touch young women.
Laurel.
And I don't think that person should understand what's going on. She had 6 people show up and stare at me.
Laurel.
One being a 300-pound
Laurel.
man who's 7 foot.
You're under arrest.
I don't want to handle the other things I have to handle. I want to talk to conflict
under
resolution, and I want to understand why she talked to me like that.
You're under arrest. Stop. You're under arrest, okay?
Okay.
You
Stop. Get off. Stop.
You're under arrest. You've been told you're under arrest. Knock it off. Laurel. Calm down. Calm down. You're under arrest.
Are you done?
You need to calm down.
Are you done fighting?
You need to calm down. Calm down.
911.
It's okay. Relax.
I want conflict resolution.
Yeah.
Legislative conflict resolution now. 911. 911. Now. 911. Don't. Well, you better not touch anyone ever again.
Alex, these cuffs are probably too loose on this side. See this?
I don't want to be raped. Get away from me. You're
Oh, chill out.
You're the
Get her to the
rapist.
car.
You are the rapist. You are the man. You are the rapist.
Keep your hand right
You are the man. You are the rapist. You do that. I don't. Where's justice for you being raped? You raping people. Chill out is not what I understand. You are raping me when you say chill out.
We're trying not to hurt you, okay?
That was not trying. I'm not uncompliant when I move. And I don't need 3 officers to do this. One could have done it.
Stop doing this.
One could have done it. There's credit card information on that. I think you should take it out. Can you take that out?
I'll grab it. But you
Well, don't grab it. Take it out.
You're trying to take it out?
That's not gonna work.
Come on.
Laurel, get in the car.
Come on.
Don't say anything other than what.
Laurel, you're under arrest. Get in the car, please.
911.
Laurel.
911.
Knock it off.
9.
Do not spit on me.
Well, you deserve it.
All right,
grab a
that's
foot.
assault.
Grab a foot.
Which one of you did she just spit out?
Me.
Okay, so you're gonna have to do
Yeah,
Yep.
spit all over me.
All fall.
Photograph me real quick?
Yep, I got you.
She was charged with 2 counts of assault and resisting arrest. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more entitled people getting a dose of reality.